Dear students, our next topic is the ECG LED configurations. To record ECG 12 electrodes connected to the body of the patient, the electrodes connected to the ECG machine using the wires called LEDs. It has three types of classification. First one is standard limb LEDs or bipolar LEDs or Eindhoven LEDs. Second is augmented limb LEDs, that is AVR, AVL and AVF. Third is precordial LEDs, that is V1 to V6. Here in this topic, we are discussing about the standard limb LEDs or bipolar LEDs or Eindhoven LEDs. Here you can see three LEDs, that is LED 1, LED 2 and LED 3. We have to discuss about these three types of LED. In the case of LED 1, it has a positive electrode on the left arm and a negative electrode on the right arm. You can see clearly in this figure. That is LED 1 is a bipolar indirect LED. In the second case, the LED 2 has a positive electrode on the right arm and a negative electrode on the left foot. That is LED 2 is a bipolar indirect LED. And LED 3 has a positive pole on the left foot and a negative pole on the left hand. That is LED 3 is a bipolar indirect LED. That is all about the basic working of the standard limb LEDs or bipolar LEDs or Eindhoven LEDs. Next is another important topic, that is Eindhoven's equilateral triangle. In this topic, the three limb electrodes, that is first, second and third, form a triangle that is called the Eindhoven's equilateral triangle. It is formed at the right arm, left arm and left leg. You can see clear in this figure. And here the working is, the Eindhoven postulated that any given instant of the cardiac cycle, the electrical axis of the heart can be represented as a two-dimensional vector. The ECG measured from any of the three basic limb LED is a time-variant single-dimensional component of the vector. That is, he proposed that electric field of the heart could be presented diagrammatically as a triangle with the heart ideally located at the center. And this triangle is known as the Eindhoven triangle. That is all about the Eindhoven's triangle. Second is the augmented limb LEDs. That is unipolar, that is AVR, AVL and AVF. In this topic, the limb LEDs in unipolar leads, two of the limb LEDs are tied together coded with respect to the third limb. That is the augmented limb LEDs. In the limb identified as AVR, the right arm is recorded with respect to reference established by joining the left arm and the left leg electrodes. In the AVL LED, the left arm is recorded with respect to the common junction of the right arm and the left leg. In the AVF LED, the left leg is recorded with respect to the two arm electrodes tied together. And they are also called as augmented LEDs or averaging LEDs. That is, the resistance inserted between the electrodes machine connections are known as the averaging resistance. The third is the precordial LEDs, that is V1 to V6. The precordial LEDs, the second type of unipolar LED, is a precordial LED. It employs an exploring electrodes to record the potential of the heart action on the chest at 6 different positions, that is V1 to V6. The 6 different positions of the heart is measured. These LEDs are designated by the capital letter V followed by a subscript numeral which reference the position of the electrode on the pericardium. The position of the chest LEDs, you can see that is V1 is the fourth intercostal space at right sternal margin and V2 is the left sternal margin. V3 midway between, that is V2 and V4, and V4 is the fifth intercostal space at the mid clavicular line. V5 the same level as V4 on anterior auxiliary line, and V6 the same level as V4 on the mid auxiliary line. And that is all about the three types of LED that we used in the ECG LED configuration.